scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Euler's method can look scary, but this one moves fast. 2 equal steps from x equals 1 to x equals 1.4. Then match the estimate. First, find the step size. We move from 1 to 1.4 in 2 equal steps, so h equals 0.2. Now do the first Euler update. Slope equals 1 plus 2 squared, which is 5. Then y becomes 2 plus 0.1. For the second step, use slope 1.2 plus 3 squared, giving 10.2. Then y becomes 3 plus 0.2 times 10.2, which is 5.04. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs, or steps. Rule, trust the given values and check each Euler update carefully.